Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Udemy how to create a course video. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to create a course for Udemy, first what you need to do is plan your content, outline your lecture or topic, keep videos short and focused, and use clear learning objectives for each video. Then prepare any slides, demos or video you want to show. The next is to set up your recording environment and choose your recording tools. Then once done, all you gotta do is record your video, then edit your video if there are any mistakes, and then lastly, to upload to Udemy, what you need to do is just simply head over and log into your instructor account. Then from your instructor dashboard, select course, then select curriculum. Then once inside, select add lecture, then upload your video file. Now add a descriptive lecture, title and summary. Then lastly, preview to insert quality. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.